Jotono no phongkaham haino hai tini nor no hain hai lom sogo tini blogo tini hingke belai juda he dan nor salbrum brum no ketal resap nai ketal mekhang ketal khorang to khnawin to mote nuwin to hingke tini abor ni bisingo no ketal no hai pon belai no tam sanai norok ni mokol nai aspai gelak khnawin nor ni khunju ok munglak oma haino sarai khorsa phaisho ka belai talented molsom bini mung hangke Marina Molsom hingga gungra ini ada Bijoy Nandini sorry Bijoy Nandini hingga bini no gana ni guni ni borok bini uncle song bono support khainai tapi logio bini amo phaikia bono support khainan bagai hingga bini khorang sengtini khnalayan tamni bagai asek bini uncle song bini kaka mama bini ma song bono asek support khainai tini resabran bagai tu laka mungsaya to mungsa tong na hera bini khorang hingga phaidi seng kicha khnanya lena borok ni takuk bukuk bini takuk bukuk ni khukti kisa khnai elena borok bahike saiman ka bini talent no bahike sini khate bahike borok o jaga tunan bagi jongkha poilau no sini dapur no belai kino lamsogo ke borok tini bukuk Marina bongkha bukuk Marina how old 14 years moke bin ma ke mongga to sini dapur no ke bahike norok bini talent no Saiman nai, bukti hai talent no nugi tini pono resab nantu peleka.
Belai ke baik kaham no, job to no pung kaham, tini jung ozagawa studio peleka, sini takuk Mr. Sakang Nioro, angke jung Marina, angka ani baik ni kelayo, angke bo Age pro rogo, arcabu girja rogo arcabu, inke bahai program rogo, waisa urcabu, inke bini khorang rok jung khnaka, belai ke khnathok, inke serai, inke bobo kaisa kaitorni, samung tangnani bagai ba kaitorni mungi kaisa, khlainani bagai mucung mani, inke bini arcamu kaitorni arcamu, lamsung nani bagai, kaitorno hamzak mani bagai, bo kaisa kayak suka itu nikok tina kan percamnya nih bagai muncul jakkan ingke bini ama songno babu songno bare saka ingke burobo bono saka nungkai sagan recording klaiti resap di ini ingke obo urayoni oroni amwai ero ingke dabuk ni wise tongo mulsum ni bisingo resap nairo mulsum ni Christian mana ko bro yang musuh ni kaiton di kan recap nairo brong sawo bonor cap di nini korang kena thoko recording khlai di ingke jungo bono tisawi video ini bagai ini sangke buni bagai tabuk jung ozagau phayo
acha
ini oro gan recording khlai ni bagai
balikin hambai norok bono khabasar mani bagai bono phander mani bagai Angke yang jotono body supporter rock bono support khlainai phaibai kya heda angke nangke bini tam klai dada
bini
mama klayo
bini brother
brother klayo okay one brother no
brother
okay angke you want to say something many people will be watching you and seeing your talent you want to say anything you want any support nothing you don't do you want to say anything okay yang bini kerja mau direct kanalnya bini mamo ngangke kopur taman mana manja ngangke mau song kokoi pun share di kisah tamne sana mau song bui nini besar zek ni kerja mau kanalnya heda ngangke borak na tamne sana mau song borin pakai surdi dong cadi
pathan la misakan kainom athai rek thai magrek ataha sakang kino matinung te misakan kair thok to kaino jong nung te anu apa kenu recording teng kai royo pathan na saket atinung te pathan ko mai thu te I thomak tho se pathan reulen nang sang ke tinin ha kai pha asikanga
hangke seng te de yawi borok za saman saka nor to bujbai kina ato mol som kok buji ya kain bagai tam sakang saya biang hai bono zara kobro bai sarai bong kobro bujika hangke seng dek yawi nai phaidi sini buku meir gano seng holais nai dubbing room seng khnai nai kira bini tinin resapmong bini khorang bahai.
Hello.
Can you hear your voice?
Yes.
Airam, mihoi, mihim, airam, mihoi.
Okay. So, start.
Kasir ke kanto punin.
Kami usaha. Iya, mesin isak mi. Mesin isak.
Bethesda tui puldam na tui kula kisum. Oh, in me to nin sang taro. Ki mok say zo le ni rang ker vang nu. Te na sing na vor na komi nei mi.
Or not those things only. Okay.
Just yes or no.
Okay, Marina, how did you feel? It's your first time, isn't it? It's your first time?
Yes.
Did you sing before in the studio? Yes or no? Yes. You sang before in the studio? No. Okay, so how did you feel? Was it very tough or you felt nervous and all? You got nervous? Feeling shy?
Yeah.
Okay. Then where is her brother? How did you feel your sister? Did she sing well? How did nice, no?
Yeah.
Okay. When it comes out like the final product, people will definitely love it, isn't it? Did you like the songs?
Yeah.
Okay. So encourage your sister. She's elder or you're elder?
Hi.
You're elder?
Yeah.
Okay. Then encourage your sister and tell her to be more smarter. Nah. So that anywhere now, once this songs comes out, she will be invited in many places, right?
Yeah.
In many churches, she'll be invited. And if she is asked many questions and if she keeps quiet like this, then people will not feel good, no?
Yeah.
So encourage her to be more smarter. Thank you, brother Purna, for bringing such a talent to come up. Buskang tebo bono kha basar di tebo mai khainai kai tor mani suar no samungo thepa wene kusgo kasoi manani heda jotonon hambai te norok melody cafe phaiman bagai jotonon hambai
Hambai. Like.